My love, my partner, my forever. 25 years ago, we stood together making promises that somehow we'd never manage to keep. Despite my occasional forgetfulness and your superhuman ability to read my mind.
And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, and then softly leave. And it's me you need to show.
You have been my rock, my joy, and my greatest adventure. Through your love, you have given me the most incredible gift, our wonderful family, with 2 amazing sons and 1 beautiful daughter.
Breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe.
Time really flies so fast. At sa panahong yon, syempre, hindi naman lahat yon puro masaya. Maraming pagsubok, yung totoong buhay ng mag-asawa. Palagi kitang pinipili at ako rin naman ang palagi mo ding sinasakripisyo sa lahat ng gusto mo.
For you, when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down.
You are the love of my life, my best friend, my forever, for all the years behind us and all the years ahead. I'm yours, yesterday, today, and always.
Siguro para sa naging experience ko sa 25 years. Number 1, yun talagang pagdarasal kay Lord na gabayan yung relationship nyo. Dahil marami nga kayong mga pagkukulang sa isa't isa, may mga panahon na nag-give up ka. Pero pinipili mo pa rin na mahalin mo pa rin siya. Despite tong mga kakulangan. Pero I'm proud to say na yung 25 years na yun, napaka-fruitful nun sa lahat ng sakripisyo na pagtagumpayan mo.
Deep is your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil ikaw ang ibinigay niya sa buhay ko. Tandaan mo na nandito lang ako sa tabi mo palagi. All your dreams, I will support you and I will be your number 1 fan. I love you.
Nakadami ka na.
How deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're
Salamat. For 25 years, we strive, we succeed. So, for another year or another years to come, ganun pa rin. Alam mo na yung regalo ko, yung aking walang hanggang pagmamahal at katapatan. Amen.
your love.